Term insurance. If you're thinking of buying term insurance, let me give you the specific details of what it is and what it isn't. First of all, term insurance, no matter what company that they offer, term life insurance rather, is a product that is typically fixed for a period of time. There are some annual renewable terms, which I don't recommend. In most cases, there's a 5, 10, 20, 30-year term, and sometimes there's more than that. So it's a specific period of time. The fixed premium does not change during that period of time. All right. You have a guaranteed death benefit. All right. It locks your health in, especially, and this is important if you are trying to upgrade or convert it. You have a liabilities covered, like I was saying, at a lower initial cost. But you do want to watch out or understand that it does expire. So some people forget that 10, 20, 30 years down the line. All right. It's moment to moment insurance. It's just like every other insurance. It's not going to pay out unless you have some type of claim. You're not going to get your money back. All right. Unless it's a return of premium. All right. But it's specifically to take care of large sums of debt or liabilities. You have a mortgage, you have credit card debt, you have some loans. You don't want that to impact your significant other. That's what term insurance is for. All right. You have young kids. You want to make sure those kids get to adult age in their 30s. And you have a 20 or even a 30-year term, but at some point that liability is not going to be as high as it was when they're kids. Now they're grown. That's what term is for. Some people do buy term and then invest the difference into a Roth IRA or the stock market, which is good. But again, being in the industry for 20 plus years, it's not for everyone. All right. Last year, a friend of mine called me because his mother was saying that she didn't understand why her insurance was running out. Now, at the time when she bought it, she hopefully the agent told her that this is only good for 10, 20, 30 years, whatever the period of time that she had on there. All right. But fast forward decades later, you're not going to always remember that. So in her 70s, she's thinking, I have insurance until I die. No, you have it into this period of time. So she was panicking. And I told her that the good thing is that policy she did get was a return of premium, and that's a good option too. They're a little bit outdated now. What you want to have with your term insurance most definitely is living benefits tied to it. So if you get some term insurance, no matter what company it's from, if you need help, please DM me. I'm licensed in multiple states. We work with multiple companies. You want to get living benefits. Living benefits that takes care of terminal illness, chronic and critical illnesses. Terminal illness. We all know what terminal illnesses are. Doctor says you have 12 months to live. All right. Critical illness, cancer, stroke, heart attack. Those are the main ones. And chronic illness takes care of the